In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Basecamp, the project management tool that can streamline your workflow and help your team stay organized. To get started, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Basecamp website, which you can find at basecamp.com. You'll be greeted by a user-friendly homepage designed to give you a quick overview of what Basecamp has to offer. To jump right into creating your own workspace, you'll need to click on Sign Up or Try for Free. These options are prominently displayed to ensure easy access. It's the first step on your journey to simplifying your project management processes. You'll then be presented with the option to choose a plan that best suits your needs. If you're just getting started or managing a single project, the free plan might be right for you. It allows you to use Basecamp for one project indefinitely without any cost involved. For those of you who require more extensive features or wish to manage multiple projects simultaneously, Basecamp offers several paid plans as well. These plans are structured to accommodate different levels of usage and features, such as additional storage, enhanced client collaboration, and priority support. Once you've decided on the plan that meets your requirements, you'll need to enter your details to create an account. You will be asked to provide your name, an email address, and a password. If you prefer a quicker sign-up process, and Basecamp offers the option, you can choose to register using your Google account. This can save time by eliminating the need to manually enter your details. After filling in your personal information, be sure to confirm your email address if the website prompts you to do so. This is an important step as it ensures the security of your new Basecamp account. So, go ahead and check your email inbox for a confirmation message and click the provided link to verify your email. Once this is complete, you're all set to dive into your new Basecamp workspace. Upon signing in, you'll be welcomed to your Basecamp dashboard. This will become your central hub for managing all your projects and tasks. Here, you can start off by creating your very first project. Think of this space as your digital office, where you can organize to-dos, share documents, and collaborate with your team, all within a simple and intuitive interface. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Basecamp account. This platform is designed to grow with you, offering robust tools for organizing your work life. As you become more familiar with Basecamp, you'll discover numerous features tailored to streamline communication and enhance productivity. Enjoy managing your projects with ease and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you embark on your Basecamp journey.